Miss Fisher's office, Lindsay speaking.
I'm sorry, Lindsay. We couldn't get them to move on the deal.
What? How did this happen? Nolan, you said you had the meetings all set up.
They said I didn't get some of the paperwork done or something like that. It's final. The deal isn't happening.
How does this keep happening, Nolan? This is the 4th time this month.
Look,
how are we supposed to get
sorry.
the business off the ground?
I really am. There's nothing we can do at this point.
Because she can. Critical, enough was enough. And you walked in just as I was giving up.
That's disgusting. Why don't you act normal? It's like you're from Mars.
Well, I've never had anyone to show me the way through life.
Never known that someone our age could be filled with so much innocence. By the way, party tonight. Oh, you're going with me. Wear something weird.
Perfect.
Try again.
You said weird!
First art, then theater, now music. This whole program's gonna be acts.
Music is the language of the universe, but the system's so adverse. Music everywhere, but the school don't care. But it's art, it's not a job, can't you see? Nah, you're just a snob. Listen to this reasoning. Music in my life, like